Alkaline's father has recently died. The news of Alkaline's father passing away was confirmed by his sister, Carrie. Carrie, who is also Alkaline's manager, shared that their father, Earl Bartley, died peacefully and with his loved ones around him. Alkaline, born Erland Bartley, has chosen to remain silent on the matter, and has even turned off the comments on his social media posts. The family has requested privacy during this period of mourning. It was reported that Earl Bartley, also known as Rooster, was suffering from an illness. The exact nature of his illness was not disclosed. The night will be held tonight, at a private location in the corporate area, where Alkaline and his family will remember and pay tribute to Bartley.